Dear students, today we are going to celebrate International Day for Biological Diversity. And this year, 2026 theme is about acting locally for global impact. Firstly, let's define biological diversity. Diversity means it's a different life form. All right, it may be plant, it may be animal, it may be microorganism. Those different International Day for Biological Diversity, mainly to preserve and conserve the different life form in the ecosystem. Do you have any idea why biodiversity is important? Anyone? Khangbra? Ako'y different life form layrise. Sige important che. Ako'y environment na kari kana pig daw male. Point naman ni dang mo. Anyone? Do you know any importance of having biological diversity? Okay. First point, because of the presence of plant, it releases out the oxygen. So we can breathe in the oxygen through the process of photosynthesis. Check kumba microorganisms che, macha sing che. Asisu magi masagi role am lay jayba. Microorganism, through the microorganism ko, it makes the soil fertile. Ako'y gi plant oigra, animal oigra, ako'y said, adong lay banate dana. Do hingaga lay bro. Plant sum siba lay dana. Sire ko, siba do masay microorganism abi pixna. Those small organism ko, that is called microorganism, they decompose the dead plant and animal. Decompose the organ might give minerals in do. Again, it helps to fertilize the soil ko, and it releases the minerals ko, all the minerals elements in the atmosphere again. So this is a cyclic process. Yari ko, aduna biodiversity kana ba se? Asi important ore ise. Hasik siya relevant ore ba che? United Nations na na. There's a term called Sustainable Development Goal. SDG hai ba ko? SDG term amalay. Hasik siya maruwi na. Magi importance siya na relevant oikhal lab. Ako'y gi biodiversity lay ecosystem siya. Pagkalag pra natraga mangsilag pra. Mangsilay natra. Okay. Ado di point kra haro mangsilag pagi causes hay tare. So there may be different causes that will pollute the environment. You can cite some points. Haro. Kayo ba?
Yeah.
Deforestation. Okay. Tayo ko, deforestation. Point naman lay re. Ato pa di. Deforestation ko gi uwa kagtat pa hitare. Ko. Simple lay re. Point, any other point? Sa pasaw dis. Mga wam starer.
Sanga hat kano tawar chaba do. Sanga kano ujewa kaya papun ba kano tawar. Kaya.
Sanga hunting. Okay. Sume maije. Jina hai ponje amna ama ahan masulay re ko kono ki deforestation mo hai gre aduga encroachment adugi kono ka hunting ko hunting animals se sum hanthar tar gadi karino impact rek do sa system tar bo food chain system tai ko and then Indian food chain system 10% loga tamaba tamdri okay no level class 9 hoy ko food chain system se may lang si kayo. Haro. Deer ni kricha ke. Cow ko musta kricha ke. Grass. Okay, what do we call that one? Adan grass sab sin kri ko ke. Herbivores. Okay, good. Herbivores tigi ngasagi laiba deer sikara nang cha ke. Lion nang cha ko. Lion sikara matang sana draw. Okay, then matang sana ba do? Sum ngasagi herbivores ti horga carnivores ti horga. Ko carnivores hai ba ko. Matang siya energy siya. They keep on decreasing 10% hai tare. Ko sum hantaba. Because mainly food chain system na nainari siya. There is a transfer of energy. Tayo ko. Ako'y na energy siya. Matang siya. Energy transfer to iba. Doon nga sagi animal siya. Nasagi carnivores hay tare ko. Example on carnivores siya sumang sila ba. Decrease to ra ba. Tara gadi. Nasagi herbivores to. Masing sum takal na yang khala ani ba. Yang khala di mo siya yang cara adro na. Ado nang masagi whole ecosystem ni balance siya. There will be a disturb. The whole ecosystem balance to. Magi balance so kaya rin ba. Disruptor ni ba. Ado na each of the species are important. And during this celebration of biological diversity, all different life forms are important, equally important. Whole ecosystem, a balanced ecosystem. Okay. How can you define sustainable? Anyone? Sustainable sa kaya kaya? Nakakuha ta. Nang nga mo do ay ko. Kung nato camera
अमुक हल्लगा सिजिना याबदो
amuka halaga sis na ba? Okay,
recycle
recycle ko. Okay, sustainable gi pati ay ko. Adubo lale di habi aroy. Is a part of sustainable. Sume. Development means ako gi present siya. Hasik lagi ba present siya? Sida risla ka da basing siya. Miyo ba da ko na hasik ako na hawe phajai hai na puja sasin manata ba tare ko. Khara lik na sasin laga cautiously ko. Aduga ko ni use to resources siya. In such a way that the future can also use it to make it sustain ko. Ay long term process kit na magtahay tare. Wakta bang bro? Example ko na. Kasi ako gi laikay madala ire khala siya. Laikay mas na ako gi development gi building mas ato re. Adu dai upambi am lera me khala siya ko. Adu upambi je thuai kak tri dia dara ba. Adu ka aga adu area da yum sa do re ne ba. Adu kak khre khala siya ba. Kak patara di yum sagal le. Adu bo aji ki ud mang oi dro. Adubo usa mang dan ngai mang di mang kre adubo hasiki usa amaka eko adu da jaga amada u ani thabi bai tare pata bang me ko akoi gi we have to use our resources, the present resources, judiciously in such a way that we will not compromise the future development. Yare ko, that is called sustainable. Okay, sustainable development sa siyam lai sa kayo. Sustainable development goals है माइगी हम ले 1 2 को till को 1 से isa about food shortage से later ngai kita mata है तारे masagi biodiversity से if we conserve biodiversity then how do you link with the food saksiga biodiversity ka kamaina mari lena nangni SDG 1 से ना is deals about food. A balanced biological diversity, there will be no hunger. How? Because if we have the balanced biological diversity, the whole ecosystem will work and functional. It means that we'll have the trees can produce the maximum amount of food, right? Pata bang bro? Tree na creation ge, synthesize to ge, una, plana. Food na tro. Food cha dun nga sagi plant cha matom da lay bayad da bani nga sagi mayam ecosystem da na organism yam se they are all interlinked network ama sari bade ko dun nga sagi mayam se pot cha lay tar gadi organism se mayam lay tar gadi koi there will be no or zero hunger that is reflected in SDG 1.